Good morning, Gearheads. We are at Overdriven Performance. Again, we're working with Brandon. We got a new product in. We're going to show you what's in the box here. So, what do we got here, Brandon?
This is our What's in the Box Monday. We had our buddies down here at Borgeson send us out a brand new steering box. Now, let's open it up. Let's check it out. This is going to be pretty cool. This is going to make the Champion Cooling Systems 79 Camaro project really nice. So as you can tell, brand new casing, brand new internals. This thing's gonna steer like a dream.
Now this is based on the Saginaw and Delphi 800 box, but it's a direct bolt-in to, I think it covers several years of GM vehicles. This Borgeson steering box just doesn't compare to a typical rebuild that you're going to find online, and that's because the Borgeson unit is completely new from the inside out. A rebuilt unit typically consists of new gasket seals and O-rings. It's still utilizing 50-year-old technology. With Borgeson, you'll notice a firmer, modern feel with a quicker 12.7:1 ratio, helping to eliminate that unwanted lane wandering. Slightly smaller in size, this unit replaces the Saginaw and Delphi 800 series found in most 1965 and up GM muscle cars with either the front or rear steer configuration. When converting from a manual steering box, the pitman arm from a power steering unit will need to be acquired. 1977 and earlier cars will require a new rag joint connector, which is available from Borgeson online. 1978 and later cars can utilize the existing rag joint.